How you doing, everyone? My name's Crazy Ham Mechanic. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. If you guys are not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button down below. And if you guys are new here, drop your comments, thoughts down below. And have any questions or concerns, just let me know. We are doing a spark plug change. I'm sorry I didn't have to be in the middle of one because I was having so many issues with it. I had trouble doing that side and this side. I kind of going to tell you right now what I'm doing is definitely doing the spark plug change on this thing. Oh, there that is. I just got to figure out. I got to feel my way back. And here it feels like I got to feel it. Okay, this is on a 98 Chevy K1500 little cracker. Okay, this is my K1500 pickup. Apparently, spark plugs are being a bit of a booger. I was going to start the video, but apparently I was having too many issues. And I need to go ahead and remove that and shorten down the socket. Don't worry, I got a shorter socket. And I need to go ahead. There we go. And we got to do the wires on this. So the spark plugs, you're going to see them on the battery here in a second when I put them up there. The ones that have taken off so far. And apparently my rubber or whatever just doesn't want it wants to work for some reason today. I got a problem with the heat shield. That and this. I never thought in my entire life I've had so much fun, guys. Well, I'm not winning World War II with this truck, I'll tell you that. Spark plugs and wires should be easier on this, but apparently it's not. I just gotta find the sweet spot. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put the spark plugs up here. We're gonna take away the two good ones. And these are what they all look like, pretty much. The ones I've taken off so far. They're not terrible. Here's one of them. Oh, just gotta get that stuff off it, but there they are. This is what, 3. Yeah, so we basically got 7 on here already out. Who knew this was gonna turn into a booger of a situation? And it's a booger to put them back in. They like to be a booger for some reason, being put back in. Once I found the sweet spot, then you're good to go. But they're not bad. I'm going to warranty them out anyway for the shits and giggles. I got platinum iridium spark plugs, guys. Apparently, I thought that'd be great. I picked up a tool. It's a swivel head tool. O'Reilly's had one.
With the bent handle.
Yeah, and the handle bent, the head bends like that, or it bends like this. Whatever you need to do. It does help me out a lot. I will say that, guys. It's going to help out a whole lot. And I just need to get that in there. And then to just do the wires. Wires will go faster than this. This has been a booger the whole entire time. I say jump in when I'm almost done. They are a total disaster, or basically you know what to work on. Okay, there's that. Now this is what you run into. And there we go, you pop that right off. Okay. I just got to plug that back in. Again, the last one, we're not going to plug it in because we're going to change the wires. And this one, we want to kind of open this up. Oh, that's one way to open the thing. Okay, well, that's one way to open it up. Okay, last wire slash spark plug. I would have let you guys join the party, you know, but you don't want to hear all that cussing and swearing. I know it. I ain't one of those guys. I'd be one of those guys to do that. Again, one at a time with these spark plugs. Always one at a time, guys. I'm serious. You can either damage the threads. Most likely, if you do this, you do it wrong. Well, guess what? Time for a new block. Yep, that's right, guys. Time for a whole new engine block. I think I put spark plugs in, but I don't remember. It's been so stinking long. You know. I just gotta find the crazy sweet spot. Just getting around this air cleaner. Normally you would have an air cleaner. You have to remove the air cleaner just to get at these. But there's probably some says, you know, you could have just done it from the side. I said, yeah, I know. I could have done it that way too. I'm just too lazy, if you know what I mean. Too stinking lazy. I like making everything in my life like a living hell. Okay, let's say that spark plug, and there it is, the last bastard, I'll say. This thing has been an absolutely great experience. I just gotta get that in there. Oh, come on. Come on. I know you're gonna get in that hole. Okay, beautiful. Now, I gotta go short one. Short stanchion. Great thing. I pick up this head swivel. I'll tell you, it's a great tool. A lot of people, I should pick this up like a super long time ago. You ask me. Come on. Finally, we're getting this done. I think part of the problem is this heat shield's in the way. Come on. Real. Okay, I gotta find this sweet spot. Like, I don't know how to do this anymore. Well, yes, I do. Okay. Yay. Yay, guys. I won. I won World War II. Now it's time to do these. Time to do that. Whew. That is an OEM spark plugs, basically. Nice thing about these, guys, just trace it down and hook it up right. Don't screw it up. That's nice. So we're gonna keep the good spark plug up here, and we're gonna trace this one down. So you're gonna use this one, trace itself down, which is gonna go right into there. So this is spark plug number. This is one of the spark plugs. That's how you do it.
Wires.
One of the wires. I mean, excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm saying the wrong words. That looks pretty much the same, guys. A little shorter. Let's see if we got a longer one. Probably got this. Might be my longest one. Let's see. This is the old one, and that's the new one. And let's see. Dude, that does not fit. Nope. It's too short. That there. This one, let's try that. Let's check that out. Nope, that's too short. Okay, we'll keep going until we get to a good length that I'm satisfied with. I think I'm satisfied. It's a little too short. This is perfect. No, this is longer. Nope, that's a short one. Don't need that. Don't use that. We can save that. I'm just trying to get one that's pretty, like pulling it tight. Okay, you want to take that? Nope. Put that one there. We might get lucky. Nope. The rest are short, so I guess I'll just take this one. Just take the long one, guys. Throw the old one on the ground. There you go. So, just plug that thing in. Okay, I'm gonna switch spots. Okay, go ahead, come under. Okay, I'm gonna go under this way. And I'm gonna jump in the engine bay, and we're gonna attach the new wire. Oh! Okay, we got the new one. We're gonna attach that sucker straight to where it needs to go. Which just needs to slide right where it came off of. And there we go. There we go. You got it. You got one. So you're going to take this one, trace it down. Take your fingers, trace it down. There we go. Take that out. And we're going to start comparing it to something like, no. That's a long one. And we got a long one. I think that's what we need. Long. Perfect. Go ahead and throw down the old wire. This is your old one. Old wire. Okay, plug that sucker straight into here. No, this is probably not the right way I'm doing it, but whatever. There's probably many ways you can do that. Save yourself a whole hassles. But you know what? I don't care. I'm just getting the job done. What did I just do with manure? Oh, I just dropped it on the ground. Make my life easier. Again, one at a time. Make your life a whole lot easier. Okay. Trace this down. And I'm going to pull that from there. Perfect. You got a short little guy. Well, let's see. Let's see. Short little guy, nope. We'll call this good enough for length. For the little guy down the ground. Okay. Plug your crazy friend back in here. If you do this every time, guys, your engine will fire beautifully and stay smoothly running. And you don't have to worry about all these stinking headaches. That's the one way to do it right. Just gotta get that sucker in there. Move that out of the way. Maybe get rid of that blinding. Okay, let's move that down. Get rid of that blinding light back here. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, this one's gonna be a booger on me. Perfect, I heard a pop. Okay, it's in there. And this guy right here, we're gonna trace him down, and he goes right there, I think. Okay, take that little guy off. We just need the smallest booger we got. I don't think that's the smallest booger we got. So that's that bad boy in there. I don't think it matters. Plug that in. Awesome. Sneak him around. Sneak him through the same tight spot. And there you guys go. And we'll give it a start up. We'll go for a little test drive so you guys know how smooth that feels. Okay. And then we got this guy. Okay. And you're going to trace him down to there. Awesome. And we'll just get a smaller guy like that. And we'll just start putting him back in. You've done this like a million times, haven't you? Oh, yeah. Changing wires. They're fun. They make you feel like $1 million, guys. Okay. Okay, now he's going to go to the other side, and we're going to do the other side. Oh, now. Hey, I turned the light off. Every time. Okay. Camera still rolling? Yeah. Okay, let me hold that. I'm going to hold it for a second, and he's going to come around. Okay. Same thing with this guy. We're going to take this first one out. Trace it down. Okay. Trace this bad boy down. Trace him down. Trace him down. And we're going to pull him all the way out until we pull this puppy out. Oh, that's a nice. There in the beam. That is a total bear. Oh, oops. Wrong end. Perfect. I heard a snap right there. Bingo, boys. That's a bingo. every time. Oh, yeah. That's a bingo. I won. What does that movie remind you of?
Inglourious Bastards.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I watched that like 1,000 times, guys, I think. Okay. Oh, right. And trace that line through there. It's so much easier when you know what the hell you're doing. That was just sweet music to the ears, boys. That was sweet music to the ears. Oh! All right. Oh, and let's get this up to here. The hell it should be. All right. Oh. And there's your last wire. That's wire. That's how you do it, boys. That's how you do it. Sorry, oops. Did I turn the camera off?
I don't know. It's still counting.
Oh, yeah.
It's done in a second.
Okay. That's good. I think you've seen the spark plugs being done 1,000,000 times. I think you guys need to see the wiring tricks. Okay. They're in. They're all in. Okay. So these are all the junk wires. Have to get my ass handed to basically 1,000,000 times. I'm going to hold the camera. I think the key's still in the truck. And let's see if this thing starts. Let's hear how this thing sounds. Oh, better take that off. Not reduced, starting a fire. Yep. That is smooth. That's great, guys. That is a smooth engine. That sounded smooth. Started up nicely. I don't know if it's those that was causing all the headaches or all that. There could be a short in there because it wasn't firing all the time correctly. So I don't know. So we're going to warranty those out right there, guys. Here, hold the camera, please, so I can point. We're going to warranty out all these. All those are going to get warrantied out. I don't know. Just the condition. I don't like it. And then over here, turn the camera, turn around. We're going to warranty all these wires out. So, okay, guys. You step back. Face towards me. Okay, guys. That's basically on doing spark plugs, wires on your truck. You've seen the spark plug doing it 1,000,000 times. So I kind of jumped you into about 3/4 of the way of the job done. That's okay. But I wanted you guys to see the wiring mostly because the wiring is tedious and people can screw that up. If you do it one at a time, you won't mess it up and you won't have a firing problem. If you rip them all off, you're going to have to pull a book out and look up a firing order. I will do a firing order on this truck so you guys can actually know how to do that. Okay, guys? That's going to be a wrap for this video. If you guys like it, hey, comments, thoughts, what you guys think. I'm sorry I didn't show you the spark plug thing, but it was becoming a pain in the butt to do. So that's going to be about it, okay? Peace out, guys.